Want to know how to fix RAID Shadow Legends not working? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, you can just simply open up your RAID Shadow Legends game and make sure what's the problem. Sometimes it might be your Wi-Fi. So if it is, just simply swipe up, turn off and turn on your Wi-Fi or switch to data connection. If that still doesn't work, just simply hold on to your RAID Shadow Legends application and then select the about info. And now once I forget about info, it should be under various app information of your phone. So on the bottom right side, you should be seeing clear data right here. So you can just simply select that. Just simply select clear cache and then select OK. So once that is on, any corporate files should be removed and any temporary files should be done as well. And you can just simply start the game and your Red Hat Legends should work. And that's it. If that still doesn't work, make sure to uninstall and reinstall the game. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.